All right, all right, all right. It's not my birthday. My birthday was last week. You know who it is? It's JL, the anti-guru, coming to you live today. Mike, Jay, appreciate y'all coming on. We listening to a little Bruno Mars to warm it up. Yeah. Y'all know y'all like this. Wait a minute. I'm just playing with it. Loosen them shoulders up. Pull it up. Throw some perm on your attitude. Yeah. All right, all right. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. And we're going to keep it playing in the background. And Facebook, I don't own the rights to this music. It is for entertainment purposes only. All right, let me get my stuff together here. Like the title says, today we're going to talk about how to choose a quality CBD product, preferably CBD or dancing a jig. Yeah, I'm dancing because I got it like that. Not only can I sing, I can dance. How you like me now? All right, I'm going to jump right into it. Like I said, the title says we're going to talk about how to choose a quality CBD oil product. So jumping right into it, first thing you want to choose, I can't read and I can't talk. You want to choose a product made from American grown hemp, and in states like Colorado, Kentucky, Oregon, Vermont, and especially states where recreational and medical cannabis is legalized, because they have stricter standards than some of these companies that grow hemp in other states. So that's the very first thing you want to look into, is when you're purchasing a product, find out where they're getting their hemp from. You know, we get our hemp from a company in Kentucky. It's called, oh man, I can't remember it right now, but just know that we get ours from Kentucky. Number two, you want to choose a full spectrum extract. I cannot talk today. Maybe I should drink some water first. How about that? All right. Like I said, you got to choose a full spectrum extract. And just so happens that's what I promote with CBD Hemp Works. That's a bad glare. Oh, now, can you see it now? There you go. Woo! This is full spectrum CBD oil, guys. And the third thing is you want to look for product labels that indicate the amount per serving. And like this one, see here, you get 1,000 milligrams. No, not 1,000 milligrams, but you get a total of see, ours is 500 milligrams. And then I got another one here. I did a live on this thing talking about some other inferior products, and I don't want to bash these people too much, but the only good thing I know that they do is they do like us. They have theirs is CO2 extracted like ours. There are a lot of companies out there that use solvents and different things to extract the CBD oil out of the product. And see, this one says it has only 19 milligrams per serving. So you're not getting a whole lot of CBD oil in this particular product. So you want to look at those labels when you're trying to choose a quality product. Number four, beware of companies that make explicit health claims like, you know, you take this oil and your cancer is going to be cured instantly in 2 days, or, you know, anything like that, you know, because what we do, again, I always do a medical disclaimer. CBD oil does not cure anything. What it does is it works in concert with the body and helps the body to self-heal and self-regulate. I like those words. You know, so those are the things that you need to look out for. And then number five, because it's only got 5 today. I may do some tomorrow. But the number 5, you want to think twice about brands that claim that their CBD oil is derived from the seed and the stalk. You know, CBD is not present in the hemp seed, and there's very little in the stalk. So let's go back over these things again. Number 1, choose a product that's made with American grown hemp. Choose a full spectrum extract. Look for product labels. Make sure that the amount of CBD oil per serving, because they can make a lot of claims, you know, even on this. And in this particular product, when I looked at what was in it, it's got virgin olive oil in it. I guess that's what they use to suspend the CBD in. But I don't need no olive oil. I'm not cooking my insides. Number 4, beware of companies that make explicit health claims. And number 5, think twice about brands that claim that their CBD is derived from the hemp seed or the stalk, because you're not going to get the quality CBD that you want. You know, CBD is a great product. I'm a product of the product. Like I say, I have mine. My fiance, she uses it, and it has been a drastic improvement in the quality of our lives. I have low back pain, or should I say had low back pain, because I very rarely have any. And all right, let me stop that music. That's my dream wife singing there, Janet Jackson. But you know, I lost my train of thought because I said Janet Jackson. But like I said, when you're purchasing CBD oil, whether you want to get it from us or you're looking at other companies, make sure you take these things into account when you're looking for it. Now, I'm going to do a shameless plug. If you decide that you want to purchase some CBD oil from me, what you can do, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to give you a special bonus. If you want to do some business with me, if you want to try this product out, I have samples. If you want to try a sample pack, I will, as a bonus, I'm going to throw in a discount vacation package deal to Las Vegas for $99. And if you decide to purchase one of the premium products like the oil, because if you just go ahead on and get the oil, we've got coffee, we've got anti-aging cream, we've got topical pain relief cream. If you purchase any of those products, I'm going to give you a discounted vacation to Cancun, Mexico for $399. Now these vacations are discounted 70-80%, because I think the regular price on that Vegas vacation was about $700. The Cancun vacation was close to $2,000. And see, all you got to do is get there, guys. And let me say, also with that Vegas vacation, they give you $100 in gambling chips, and it's a block off of the strip. So you're going to be in a great place. You're going to be able to have a great time. Of course, I've never been to Cancun, so I don't know how good it is, but you're going to get 5 days, 4 nights for $399. So again, when you're looking at CBD oils, make sure you follow these 5 directives. Choose a product where the hemp is grown here in America. Choose a full spectrum oil. Look at the product labels. Look at how much CBD is in there per serving. Beware of companies that make these crazy health claims. And finally, think twice about brands that say that they get their hemp derived from the seed or the stalk. All right, that's all that I've got for you today. Remember my motto: the shortest distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make sure you take some action on the advice that I've given you when you're thinking about getting some CBD oil. Love, peace, and hair grease.